Hello viewers, my name is Dr. Reem Khan, and today in this video we are going to talk about male infertility, the symptoms and causes, its diagnosis and certain tests that we have to perform for the male infertility. And if you would like to learn more about infertility, pregnancy and parenting, please subscribe to our channel. So, the most common cause of male infertility involves problems with the sperms, which can be with its shape, its movement, commonly known as motility, or the amount of sperms, which are usually the low sperm count. So, there are four main causes of male infertility. One would include the anatomy of the testes, and second would be hormonal problems. The third would be sexual dysfunction, and the fourth would be any surgery. So, for the anatomical causes, we have varicocele, which are the enlarged veins in the scrotum, the sac that holds the testicles, high heat exposure to the testes from tight clothing, frequent use of hot tubs and saunas, and holding laptops or heating pads on or near the testes, injury to the scrotum or testicles, certain genetic disorders such as cystic fibrosis, and chromosomal disorders such as Klinefelter syndrome are also included. And one of the other anatomical cause would be undescended testicles. Secondly, the hormonal causes would include low testosterone level that are commonly seen in hypogonadism. Also, the misuse of anabolic steroids is a common cause of male infertility in hormonal causes. Thirdly is the sexual dysfunction such as erectile dysfunction, anejaculation, premature ejaculation, or retrograde ejaculation. Lastly, for the surgical causes of male infertility, prior sterilization or vasectomy is one of the very common cause. Other than those, surgical or congenital absence of testes and previous chemotherapy or radiation therapy for any other comorbid condition can cause male infertility. So these were the very common causes of male infertility, and now we are going to discuss the diagnostics and the tests that we use to treat male infertility. Diagnosing male infertility involves making sure a person ejaculates healthy sperms. Most fertility tests look for problems with sperms. There are 3 tests, and these tests can help diagnose or rule out the problem. So the most important test, and the one that is commonly being done, is the semen analysis, which checks for low sperm count, poor sperm mobility and motility. Some people also need a needle biopsy to remove sperm from their testicles for testing. The second test is the blood test. This is a test that can check thyroid and other hormone levels. Genetic blood tests also look for chromosomal abnormalities. The third and the last test that is being done is the scrotal ultrasound. And this is an ultrasound of the scrotum that identifies varicocele or any other structural testicular problems. So these were the most common causes of male infertility, its diagnosis, and the tests that we usually perform to treat male infertility. In our next video, we are going to talk about the management and treatment. Please stay tuned, and thank you for watching this video.